Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Asab Training. My name is Asab and today I'll show you how I'll grow my deposit to $400 using simple yet powerful tools. To start, let's set up the setting just like mine. Time frame 30 seconds. We want to trade with more than $100. Trade expiration time frame 15 seconds. Even a beginner who is just starting their journey in trading can start earning after watching this video until the end. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and like this video because it is crucial for me. Let's get started. Today I'll be using two top-notch indicators to help me boost power and OSMA. I like them for their simple visualization on the chart. I'll also be using my favorite levels in this training. It's more convention for me, and levels provide a lot of signals in trading when you gain experience. Levels also offer a good visual representation of the chart, helping you better identify the trend direction and changes. As we can see in my case, boost power consists of a red trend line on the chart which indicates the trend direction. It is simple. If the line is moving up, it is a signal to enter an up trade, and vice versa. If the line is moving down, it is a signal to enter a down trade. With this indicator, we'll understand strong buyers, which can be a sign of an uptrend. This indicator calculates the difference between the maximum price and a 30-period moving average. Positive values suggest bullish range and potential price increases, while negative values indicate their weakness. In the meantime, I see a very interesting situation, guys. Both indicators are giving us signal, and boost power is changing in the trend line. I quickly enter a $100 trade downward and wait for my profit. It's cool, guys, I've earned a profit. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day and you can follow me all the steps step by step and get a good profit. Write to me in a personal, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Places are limited, come join us. Also, the first time you make a deposit on the best trading platform where I trade, Pocket Option, you will receive plus 50% bonuses, guys. You just cannot miss it. In the meantime, for conventions, I'm driving another training to help me negative the chart better. In general, the movement appears to be bullish, and I believe we'll soon witness a trend reversal and we'll promptly enter a position. Let's talk a bit about OSMA and hopefully we'll find the second entry point for profit. OSMA is a technical indicator that is a smooth version of the well-known OSMA accelerator. It was developed based on the work of Bill Williams. The main purpose of OSMA is to access market momentum. The OSMA indicator calculates the difference between the fast and slow moving average of the OSMA accelerator. Then it plots the moving average of this difference. This allows traders to detect change in market momentum. Traders can use OSMA to determine buy and sell signals and to identify the direction of the current trend. Positive values may indicate increasing momentum, while negative values may suggest decreasing momentum. Using these two indicators is a perfect combination of two instruments that work well together. Don't forget to rely on your own experience as well. Anything can happen in the market. The key is not to lose vigilance and keep a cool head. Meanwhile, we observe a trend reversal. Relying on the boost power indicator, we enter a $100 trade downward and just wait for profit. It is cool, guys. Profit achieved, my friends. It's wonderful. Friends, never forget about risk management and money management. This is crucial, especially when trading binary option, particularly when entering trade with a 15 seconds, 30 seconds or 5 seconds expiration. Always assess the status of your indicators before entering a trade. Evaluate the trend direction and only enter after confirming that your deposit or the portion of it you're using complies with risk management conditions. Now let's get back to our chart. As you can see, I've drawn two trend lines indicating the current price movement. I believe a trend reversal is underway, and the bullish trend is likely shifting towards a bearish one. I'd like to remind you that you can practice on a demo account for better results. However, if you want to start earning, don't delay trading on a real account. When you make your first deposit using my promo code, you'll receive a plus 50% bonus. We are witnessing some slight movement on the chart. Our indicators are ready to provide signals at any moment. We need to be patient and most impatiently act promptly when the time comes. See a good opportunity, the indicators show a trend reversal, and I just quickly enter a $100 downward trade and await the profit. Excellent friends, profit is achieved. As you can see friends, this trading strategy is working quite well. In the meantime, let me tell you the story of George Miller, a trader who made a fortune trading binary option. He used a combination of Bull's power and OSMA. George Miller is a name that became known as the world of binary option. He started his trading career relatively recently but achieved impressive results due to his talent and determination. George was a professional mathematician and analyst, and he applied his data analysis knowledge to binary option trading. He developed his own trading strategy, which included the analysis of various financial instruments and economic news. He also used technical indicators like Bull's power and OSMA to forecast prime movements. The most impressive part of George's story is his initial investments. He started with a small sum, but his ability to analyze the market and make informed decisions led to consistent account growth. One day, George Miller made a significant trade speculating on change in oil prices. The trade brought him a profit 7 times larger than his initial investments. Guys, it is crazy. This success marked a turning point in his career, and he decided to increase his investments. Over time, George became one of the most successful traders in his field. Profits from a single trade could reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. He continued to learn, refine his strategy, and achieve success. George Miller's story emphasized that in the world of binary options there is an opportunity to earn significant sums, but it requires effort, knowledge, and strategy. It is important to remember that trading involves risk and is not always successful. However, successful traders like George Miller demonstrate that with the right approach and the ability to analyze the market, impressive results are possible. All of this was shared as an example for you to understand that even with small investment, you can achieve your goals. The key is to wait and assess your strengths carefully and approach practice and binary option trading with sensitivity and clear mind. The best exchange in the world, Pocket Option. Link in the description, guys. We'll always send your earnings to your USDT wallet without delays. Meanwhile, I see another excellent entry opportunity. The indicator gave us a signal, and I promptly enter a $100 trade and wait the profit. Profit achieved. It is fantastic, my friends. Friends, if you are watched this video to the end, you're most likely already working with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link in the description. And of course, I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in my private channel ready to rain money. My primary mission is to enable everyone to earn through trading, even with minimal experience, but most importantly with a desire. Wishing you all profit, dear friends, and see you next time.